Hi guys, it's Marilyn here. Welcome to my channel. I have this new product to show you today. This is the Color Pour by American Craft. They sent me this set of colors and I put a liter of paint in each lid. As you can see here, the colors that I'm going to use. I also have the glitter kit with similar colors to the paint. I'm using an 8 by 11 canvas. The good things about this system, the Color Pour by American Craft, is that they are already mixed with the additive and that needed to create the pour art. So you don't have to worry about measures, etc. It's easy to work with. I started pouring the paints in a plastic glass and just creating layers with each color and different shapes to see how it turns. Because my canvas is 11 by 8 by 11, I think I will fill the glass by half because I need enough of this mix to cover all the canvas. And once I have this ready, and the last thing I add is more light color, I will put the glass in the middle of the canvas. You can see here all the shapes, and here is when I'm going to put the glass in the middle. In that way, I think is the easier for me. And I let it like 1 minute, and then I will move all this. I will move the glass, and you can see here is when all the magic starts. I check the excess of paint from the glass, and I like the effect that it creates. And I just see that it has a little light color, so I just squeeze the rest of the paint in the ivory paint in some area here. Now I'm going to manipulate this paint and try to cover all the canvas and carefully move, and you can see how it looks. Oh, I love it. Then once I cover all these the 4 sides of the canvas, I took a paintbrush and start to manipulate the area that is in ivory, and it turns like a rose. I just love the effect. Then I will continue cover all the sides of the canvas. You can see here how it looks. I love the cells that it forms and all the colors. I just love it. Love the area that you see, it looks like a rose. The ivory, the things that I did with the paintbrush, it look like a rose now. It is so fun to work with this new product, and let me tell you that it comes in a variety of colors, and that you can find this product at Joann's. I will let you the link in the description box down below. Now that it's almost ready, I'm going to add now the glitters. From it is almost cover all the sides. Now it's time to add the glitters. I have this package that has this gold that I'm going to use. It has this red, but I think I'm going to choose the pink glitter. I'm not a glitter person of glitter, but I think it will give a nice touch on the background. I add a little here and there, and then I'm going to add a little of this one, the gold, in the areas that has a similar color. And it is my canvas. I hope that you like it. Check the description box for all the links to get this product, and I see you soon with other tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.